Okay, Sandyman, so in this video we are going to see how I have made this stylus pen. So this one is also a stylus pen and it is also working, but this one is a better version of it. And how I have made this one is in the same video, but I will suggest not to watch it, but it is your wish if you want to watch it. Okay, so let's coming to the point how I have made this one. So So you can see here, this is a normal pen plastic one, and I have slit it here in the tip, and this is a copper wire here. This one are the copper wire. I have slit here a little bit so that the copper wire can sit there, and make sure it is a little bit long so that when we hold the pen, we can touch the wires. Okay, and I have sellotaped here so that this wire won't move from its place. So that's the thing. Now other thing we need is a small foil like this, a flat one, but okay, it should be flat and it should be small. Now another thing we need is a glue. Just dip it here like this and it will fine. The main purpose of the wires are and the glue is to take this foil here, and this foil should touch our copper wire in this pen. So let me take it and let me press it once before taking. Now let me have it. Okay, so I took it. Now let's try. Try one, try two, but there is try zero. Okay, and so you can see that it is working fine. And uh, I can write Sandy man. So it is working okay. So yeah, the only thing is we need to have a flat one, and sometimes while writing this foil may get misplaced from its place, so we need to make sure that this foil again come to its places by just adjusting it a little, and it will fine. So like this we can make a simple stylus pen which is a working one. And that's it. Thank you. Thank you. This video is over, but even if you want to see how I have made this one, so you can watch it.